One of the biggest misconceptions in technology is that the internet and the World Wide Web are the same thing. They aren't. Think about this: when you send an email, join a Teams meeting, or transfer a file, you're using the internet, but you're not necessarily using the web. The internet is the underlying network, the invisible infrastructure that connects devices across the globe. It's the foundation. The World Wide Web is just one service that runs on top of that foundation. It's the collection of websites and pages we access through browsers like Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. A good way to visualize it is to imagine a road network. The roads, highways, tunnels, and bridges represent the internet. The web is like one type of traffic traveling on those roads. Email is another type of traffic. Video calls are another. They all share the same infrastructure, but they're different services. What's remarkable is that the World Wide Web started as a project at CERN, the European Particle Physics Laboratory, where researchers were looking for a better way to share information and collaborate. As a fun fact, the world's first website, created at CERN by Tim Berners-Lee, is still preserved and can be visited today. The web was built on three foundational technologies: HTML for creating content, HTTP for transferring it, and URLs for locating it. Starting from these simple building blocks, the web has continuously evolved from static pages into the dynamic, interactive, and user-centered experience we know today. What made the web so successful wasn't just the technology, but the way it was designed. Anyone can create and share content, no single organization controls it, and it works across different devices and platforms worldwide. Its use of hyperlinks connects information into a vast network of knowledge, while common standards ensure that browsers and servers can communicate seamlessly. The web's journey is far from over. We're already seeing AI-powered assistants, stronger privacy technologies, more immersive experiences through augmented and virtual reality, and easier access across devices and regions. At the same time, its future depends on how well we address important challenges such as privacy, cybersecurity, misinformation, digital inequality, and control over personal data. The goal is not just a more powerful web, but a more trustworthy and inclusive one. The World Wide Web transformed how humanity learns, communicates, innovates, and collaborates. As we celebrate World Wide Web Day, we also look toward building a more open, trustworthy, and accessible web for future generations.